Yo, what's going on, guys? Going back to a brand new video. If you're new here, make sure to like and subscribe. If you're not new here, then welcome back. Like I said on the last video, today we finally got the window motor in, so we're gonna be working on that. Finna put the camera to charge a little bit because I see that I got the red light, and I'll record a few of the clips on my phone. So yeah, let's get into it. Alright, like I was saying, guys, I had to switch to the phone real quick because I'm finna put the camera to charge. Well, let's see. First, I want to check if it's the right motor, because I've been hearing that a lot of people buying it and they be getting the wrong one. So that's the first thing that I'm gonna check. So let's get into it. So I want to look for the old one because I got it. I want to see if it's the same or not. So got the new one here. So let's see. Sorry, I'm doing this one-handed because, like I said, the camera was about to die on me. So far, I see that it's the same thing. Yep. So now that we know that it's the same, let's get into it, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. And yeah, now I'm finna try to see if I can get angles so y'all can see me taking the panel out and everything and putting this new one. So let's get into it, guys. Alright, guys, so first I gotta take this so I can unscrew one bolt, 2 bolts. Then I'll take the panel off because I left this one without being in there. Plus I gotta take the screws on the handle. So yeah, I'm not finding a place that I can put the phone, so I'm gonna take this out first and then I'll pick up the camera again. So yeah, guys, I already got the panel out. Got it right here next to me. Now I'm gonna flip the camera, because now I gotta take a lot of stuff out and then another panel. So I'm gonna show you guys. And this is what I'm talking about. I gotta take all these clips out. I gotta take this black panel out. So let's get into it, and don't ask me why that is. I'll explain a little bit later on. So let's get into it, guys. Alright, guys, so I already got the bolts out. All I gotta do is take the panel out so I can take these clips out. And I think I did a stupid thing because, hold on. I think I did a stupid thing because I left every single pair of pliers that I got inside of the house. So let's hope that I got some here in the car, and let's get into it. Oh, plus after this, the video is not gonna be over with this because it'll be too short. I gotta fix something with the, I'll show you guys this in the front end, and let's see if I'm gonna have probably need the, oh, you know what, I'm probably not gonna need the pliers. Hold on, let me check. So I don't think I'm gonna need the pliers because I can just leave it like this because the motor gotta go here on that side. So I'm gonna leave it like this. That way I can put the motor here and put everything back together. And yes, I had to hold the fucking window with zip ties. Hey, but it's work because it's been like that for, I'll say, at least 2 weeks. The same exact time that I've been waiting for the part. So, and I gotta see how I can get this screw from here, because I don't know how. I just noticed that somebody, or the person that had the car before me, they either tried to tighten it too much and broke it or something. So let's see what we can come up with. And yeah, so I already got the motor there. I know it fits. Now I'm finna try to actually put you guys somewhere so y'all can see the process of me putting it back, putting all this back. So let's get into it. Give me just one little second. Hey guys, don't judge. Y'all on the floor in the car. So let's get into it. Get this tree. These are the ones that go in there. Let's see. Now I I gotta figure out how I'm finna take the zip ties out and put everything together without the glass moving or falling. You know what? Let's see what we get into. Hey. Oh, but yeah, I was saying that I was gonna tell you a little story about this right here. This right here happens because I'm the type of person that I don't got that much patience. So when I see that my window didn't want to go up or down, I took everything out. I give it a few taps. I see that it worked. It stopped working. I started hitting that shit with a hammer. That was funny, but hey, at least I already got a new one. Let's get into it. So far, I got almost everything back. Now I gotta find a way to how to cut the freaking zip tie so I can finish. So let's get it, guys. All right, guys, I'm finna finish putting the black cover on. Sorry, once I'm finished putting the black cover on, I'll start recording again. Once I'm finna put that one. So hopefully you guys are enjoying the video. And like I said, the video is not gonna end here because I still gotta fix something else. So yeah, let's get into it. Like, I got straight from work to start working on the car. So hopefully you guys make sure to like and subscribe. Please make sure to subscribe because a lot of you guys are watching the content are not even subscribed. Just hit the subscribe button. It's free. So yeah, guys, moment through and see if I did a good work. Let's see if it goes down. And oh, hell yeah. Yes, sir. All right, now let me put all this mess back and let's keep with video. So yeah, guys, we're almost done. I mean, I say we, but I am almost done. Let me know in the comment section. I'm feeling like redoing the sweat in here. I still got sweat material in there. I'm just looking because literally missing a bolt. And now I don't know where it is, and it's not in that pile. So let's see if I can find it, and let's continue the video, guys. And hey, I got a surprise very soon. So yeah. By the way, this is an old shirt that I try to do for my channel, but hey, I'm coming with new ones very soon. Like I said, I'm trying to look for that bolt. I don't know where it was. I literally had it in my hand, and now I cannot find it anywhere. So, but hey, let me show you guys one more time. Look. Oh shit, I did the wrong one. Let me, one more time, look. Yes, sir. Alright, so I'm finally done with the door. I gotta put this string real quick, and then let's move up to the thing that I gotta do in the front, and that's gonna be it for today's video. It's gonna be a short one, but like I said, expect a video every other Sunday. So I did a video Monday or Tuesday. This one's gonna be out on Sunday. This upcoming Sunday, there's not gonna be a video, but the next one will. All right, that's gonna try to be my schedule. So let's get into it. And look, I'm finna show you something, guys. I'm finna show you guys later on new ones that I got for this. And I got this one, so let me know if you guys like it. I can make it into an actual sticker, like do everything with details and all that. So yeah. All right, guys, I'm gonna be putting double-sided tape here because I'll explain later what happened there. So it was something that wasn't supposed to happen. I'm gonna put some double-sided tape, so let me get started in it. So hopefully it'll stay. Give me a second. So finally put the double-sided tape. I know you can see it there a little bit, but I'll explain now what happened there. Just see that hole and look up the last video. Well, yeah, guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Make sure to share the video with your friends, family, and remember, this Sunday we're gonna have a video. Next Sunday we're not. Then the following we are. And I still gotta show a few things on this video, but let's get it.